Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to a broker. First, ensure your broker is compatible with TradingView's platform. Then, log into your TradingView account. Once logged in, navigate to the trading panel, usually found at the bottom of your screen. This panel is your gateway to linking your brokerage account and executing trades directly. From the trading panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Select yours, then proceed to enter your login credentials for that brokerage account. It's crucial to ensure you're entering these details accurately and securely. After successful authentication, you'll grant TradingView the necessary permissions to connect and manage your trading activities. Once connected, TradingView will display a confirmation message. You can then view your account balance, open positions, and order history directly within the platform. This seamless integration allows you to analyze charts and place trades without switching between applications, streamlining your trading workflow significantly. It's a powerful way to manage your investments. If you encounter any issues, double-check your login details and ensure your broker account is active. Connecting your broker to TradingView offers numerous benefits, including superior charting, real-time data, and a unified trading experience. You gain access to powerful analytical tools and a vibrant trading community. Also, for those who love to read and learn, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.